Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Towards the first days of the ministry of Jesus, we all know that he taught his disciples the prayer, Our Father. And towards the end of the prayer, we get to have this intention to God that we be delivered from evil. Ipag-adya mo kami sa lahat ng masama. And we also heard that towards the end of his life with his disciples, now that we are hearing the high priestly prayer of Jesus, once more the intention and the thought still goes the same way. I do not ask that you take them out of the world, but that you keep them from the evil one. I protected them in your name. I guarded them. That has been a consistent thought, a consistent intention inside the heart of Jesus. That his disciples, that all of us may be guarded from evil, be protected from the evil one. Tila napakahirap na maging consistent sa bagay na ito, lalo't higit kapag mahina o mababa na ang pasensya natin sa isang tao, kapag puno na tayo ng galit sa isang tao, when indeed all anger and all patience are all worn out, it is indeed hard to be consistent about thinking for their good and even praying for their good. We also hear today St. Paul bidding goodbye to his community. And he was warning them, and once more, a consistent thought in St. Paul is that be warned of the savage wolves coming from your community, the savage wolves that can be present in the leaders or with the leaders of your people, the savage wolves that can be present in what will they be preaching to you. Ang iadya muli sila sa lahat ng kasinungalingan, ng sino mang pupwedeng mangurakot ng kanilang iniisip at makasira ng kanilang pananampalataya. Ang ganda pong tignan at bigyang pansin ito na tila alam natin sa ating sarili that it is indeed hard to be consistent in thinking for the good and praying for the good. But we are doing our best. Let us be consistent in thinking about the good and praying for the good of others. Marahil sinisimulan natin ang araw na ito, sana sa pagdalangin, Hari nawa Panginoon, maging maayos ang aking araw kasama ang aking mga kasamahan. Sana naman at hindi po natin dinadasal na sana po yung katabi ko sa lamesa, pumangit ang araw. Magkaroon ng dilubyo ang kanyang araw. Masamain siya ng mga taong haharapin niya. But Jesus, at the beginning of his ministry, until the very end of his life, until today, thinks about our good and prays for our good. And as his disciples, let us strive our best, at least, to be consistent with those two. Thinking for the good of others, praying for the good of others. These are the very needs we need today, that people's friends and dear ones thinks for our good and prays for our good.